Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. I know it's July, but I finally got my June paper pumpkin kit called Life is Sweet. So I thought I'd do a quick blast this week of the June paper pumpkin kit. So let's see what's in it. We've got a stamp that says thanks, wish you were here, life is so much sweeter with friends like you, you're truly amazing, so much to celebrate, sending a big squeeze, and sweet friend. So the thanks also matches the Thanks and Beyond add-on die set that was for the second quarter. So we've got a Shy Shamrock Stampin' Spot. We've got our stamps, and we've got some linen thread and some tear and tape. And we've got some little embellishments here. It looks like some little basic beige pearls and our adhesive dots. Oh, look at these envelopes. So we've got the peach pie, the Shy Shamrock, and Pretty in Pink. I think that's Pretty in Pink. Looks a bit like Bubble Bath, but I think it's probably Pretty in Pink because we're using the new colors for the envelopes. And they're just colored on the outside. And then we've got these laser cut die cuts. We've got, looks like there's vellum and some of the Shy Shamrock. So let's just open this up and see what we've got. Yes, there's vellum bases and then these lovely windows. Oh, this is so exciting. And here's some, we've got our card bases. So let's pop these out. So this is the Pretty in Pink card base. Almost has that oil canvas look to it. We've got some greeting dies. Oh, and there's our lemons. Oh, front and back with the Shy Shamrock. And some more, some peaches there. And then we've got the peach pie card bases. I love it when the front and the back are both colored. Double the fun. And then we've got some more die cuts, greenery. Oh, and we've got shimmer paper, and it says it's friend, and I think it's hello. Oh, that's going to be exciting. And you know that I'm going to try and use any of the extra bits of that just because. And then we've got some vellum stars and leaves and some cherries. And at the bottom of our kit, we've got our instructions. So the colors are Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lolly, Peach Pie, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pretty in Pink, Pumpkin Pie, Shy Shamrock, and Summer Splash. And again, it goes with the Thanks and Beyond dies. And these are the projects that we'll be making. So stay tuned for those project videos, and let's create together again soon.